In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsplit video on CapCut PC. If you accidentally sliced a video clip in half, or you want to merge separate clips back into one clean block on your timeline, CapCut gives you a very simple way to do it. The exact method depends on whether the split just happened or whether you've already continued editing after that cut. If you just made the split by mistake and you haven't done anything else yet, the fastest solution is to undo it right away. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and Z at the same time. This tells CapCut to reverse your last action, and if that last action was the split, the clip will immediately be restored into one continuous piece. This is the easiest option, and it works best when the cut was the very last thing you did. If some time has passed and you've already made more edits, then undo usually won't be the right choice anymore, because it would also remove the work you did after the split. In that case, go down to your timeline and click and drag your mouse across both clips so they're highlighted together. Make sure both sections are selected at the same time, because CapCut needs to treat them as a pair before it can combine them. Once both clips are highlighted, right-click on the selected blocks. A menu will appear. From that menu, choose Create Compound Clip. As soon as you do that, CapCut will combine those separate pieces into one single timeline block. You'll notice right away that the timeline looks cleaner and more organized. Instead of handling two separate parts, you now have one unbroken clip block that behaves as a single unit. That means you can move it around more easily, resize it on the timeline, or apply effects to it as one clip instead of managing each piece individually. This is especially helpful when you want a simpler timeline and smoother editing workflow. Just keep in mind that this method doesn't erase the fact that the clip was split earlier in your project history. What it does is group those selected parts together into one compound clip, so they act like a joined clip during editing. For most practical editing situations, that's exactly what you need, and that's it. Whether you use Ctrl+Z for an instant undo, or create compound clip to merge edited sections back together, you can unsplit your video in CapCut PC in just a few seconds. You're all set.